What's good, everyone? This is J. Cole featuring Drake in the Morning instrumental. It's their beat. They do a great job on it. I got a lot of respect for J. Cole. Big shout out there. Just enjoy. Sitting here chilling, Bud Light in my hand, just sitting here trying to view my whole lifespan. Damn, the whole shit looking darker than it's tan. Sometimes I think I need a girl to help me plan. Then this dome piece suddenly gets to replaying all the mixed up bullshit that my exes be saying to the dude who got it down. Girl, you must have been praying. Got my head fucked up like I need a CAT scan. When you need them the most, not to leave and be staying. That's when they wanna grab the keys and get to betraying. Got so much bottled up, I resort to beat slaying. Tired of the games, but they wanna keep playing. Put up with so much bullshit day after day. That too many women cost me more than I wanna pay. Try to cross me up, I break it down like MJ. Never let a girl master me, I'm a sensei. Try to loosen up, they got me doing everything the tense way. If there's no truth, I guess I never know the best way. Maybe if one of them would just give me a little headway. Instead they put me on the leash and now they just dead weight. Maybe an outback girl will be my wedding mate, or maybe the corpse bride. Hell, there's nothing like a dead date. Y'all don't believe each other no more, call it dead fate. I'ma get back on this beach, y'all just wait. I ain't gonna lie, I've had my eyes set on this girl, she's shining bright just fine. With no diamonds and pearls, she looking like the only exception. And that's what perhaps there's some hidden nuts up in this girl. She say she ain't perfect, but the gamble might be worth it. Never stay blue when we talk, fuck the smurfing. She only make me smile, so no raging dudes cursing. She ain't a chicken head, so she don't do no chirping. She don't do no acting, go ahead and close the curtain. Fuck with the wrong and you best believe it's me doing the murking. Not too sure how she feel, I should probably get to learning. Too bad these circumstances not too comfy, got me squirming. There's so much about it that make me wanna keep working. From miles away she managed to make these girls look less appealing. You didn't do nothing wrong to give me these feelings. You make these girls look fake, cause you're one of the realest. Yeah, this song's just for you, I hope that you feel it. Raw emotions on this beat and yeah, I still kill it. Yeah, this flow was priceless, I ain't even gotta bill it. Had to get this shit off my chest, couldn't conceal it. She helped me forget about these fucks with which I'm dealing. And you better believe she bad, badder than a villain. She do a lot of tipping, look how easy she got me spilling. She got the whole package, I just hope that I can seal it. If her heart is up for grabs, I have no problem stealing. And she can never rape me, cause I always be willing. Don't get me wrong, I got mad love for women. Some be freaks in nature like the tongue of Gene Simmons. If you got a girl that make your wife, don't take her as a given. I'm trying to win her heart, so I guess I'm on a mission. Thanks for the attention, but I'm sure you're glad you listen. Maybe one day we'll be blazing and sipping. If you by my side, I don't need to be tripping. Matter of fact, I'll probably jump for joy and be skipping. Sure wouldn't mind making you my missus. If you were my girl, I'd have no more wishes. Even roll you up a joint and then I'll do the dishes. Then we'll split that fat roach and get to ripping. This is me making a move, oh well if I missed it. I already let way too many girls diss me.